My name's Herb from 1-800-WASH. We're an exterior cleaning company.
Amazing. And what was the state of your ads prior to joining today?
They were running. I was running my own meta ads, not very efficiently, unfortunately. Not knowing what I was doing, trying to find resources online and just, pulling the wrong levers, not using dials and using switches instead a lot of the time.
Yeah, love that analogy.
And then from a Google perspective, we had an agency support us. I'm a very hands-on person, so I kind of tried to give them the wrong directions a number of times, and things didn't quite fully work out for us.
Yeah, for sure. And how'd you find today? Was there a key takeaway, a key learning? How'd you find the support? How'd you find literally just the PowerPoint, the presentation, the content?
Key takeaway for me was how simple it is. And kudos to you, Raj, especially taking us through all of this and making it very easy to understand. There was 80 people in the room and everyone was very much on track and didn't really have too many repetitive questions. So that was, very surprised about. The other thing is how much you guys change our perspective on what we should be looking at. So it's not just your, the conversion rates and these sort of things, but, the bottom dollar at the end of the day. So, zero compared to how much we're spending on ads.
Yeah, absolutely. And did you get your ads on?
I sure did.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, you got both Google and Meta ads. So we'll see. We'll keep tracking. I'm big on data, so love to see how that goes. I'll be seeing you on advisory call for sure.
Look forward to it. And if anyone was sitting on the fence about joining, what would you be telling them?
Be Humpty Dumpty, is that right? Yeah. Just fall off that fence. Honestly, just come do it. It was fun, interactive. Only thing I wish is it went for longer. Would love to have been here for a few more hours. Yeah, it's so good. It's simple. It's, you guys pre-warned us it was going to be tiring, especially the second day. It's like, no, give me more. I loved it.
Yeah, love it. And thoughts on Brandon in person? Is he a scam? Is he all he puts out?
He's an honest person and absolutely love that. It's, no bullshit. A lot of people care too much about what other people think. And I really think that, we need more people like Brandon.